The Honest Squirrel. In a big forest, there lived a small squirrel named Simmy. Simmy loved to collect nuts and store them for the winter. One sunny morning, while digging near a tree, Simmy found a shiny gold coin. Excited, Simmy ran to her friend, the wise old owl, and said, "Look what I found! I'm going to buy lots of treats." The owl looked at the coin and said, "This coin belongs to the forest king. He dropped it during his morning walk." Simmy paused. She really wanted to keep it, but she knew the right thing to do. So she took a deep breath and said, "Then I should return it to him." She went to the king and returned the coin. The forest king smiled and said, "You are honest and kind. As a reward, I give you a basket of nuts for your honesty." Simmy was happy, not just because of the nuts, but because she did the right thing. Moral: honesty is always rewarded. Doing the right thing brings inner happiness.